Today we are finally getting rid of that nasty musty smell coming from my AC whenever I turn it on. Now, if you didn't see the other video that I made of how to replace the AC cabin air filter, I highly suggest you check that out because that is the first step that I recommend whenever there's a nasty musty smell. But if that doesn't get it, here's what I prefer, Frigi Fresh. And I'm gonna show you how to use this, super easy, just takes a minute or two. But what you wanna do is find the inlet where your AC pulls from. In my case, this is a 24 Silverado and it pulls from right here on the passenger side. All right, next up, you got to go inside and you got to start the truck. Be sure to leave the keys inside. Don't get out with them in your pocket. I roll down all of the windows. Make sure you turn off, recirculate. We do have the AC on high and we want to get, well, now we have the AC on high. Now we can go outside. Do is take the spray and you want to spray it directly in here for, I believe it's 6 to 8 seconds, no more than 10 seconds is needed. That's it. So now we can go inside the truck. Oh, I can already smell the spray. So it's made it through. I shut off the truck. We're gonna let this sit for 2 minutes. Next time we fire it up, it's good to go. This stuff is the best, I'm telling you. And you could do so many vehicles with this too. Links in the description. I absolutely recommend this to all GM systems because what I found is that there is a musty odor that shows up. There is a way you can turn on afterglow. We're not gonna get into that, but feel free to comment about your experience with afterglow if you understand what afterglow is. But for now, with just a basic person like you and me, Frigi Fresh, this stuff kills the bacteria and freshens air conditioning systems. It says it on the can, and it does exactly what it says.